So we're preparing for a winter storm, and I'm not lonely. I have lots of friends. Precious, Precious. Hi, pretty girl. Everyone's inside. Yeah, everyone's inside. Callie's happy. Jack Frost has to go to the doctor this week. We think he might have diabetes or something wrong because he's getting so skinny. Here is May. Hi, May. You happy? You're inside? It's cold out, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, Callie. Callie and Jack Frost. Oh, yes. Oh, kisses. Look, Callie's starting to be nice to all the kitties. Oh, May, I know you don't like dogs, but Callie will be your friend. And Jack Frost always loves dogs. Yes, you always love dogs. Good boy. Callie's so pretty. Hope you're gonna share your food. I know you share your water with Jack. And Goldie's up here in her little tower, like the Princess and the Pea. So it's really snowing, and I noticed the birds' food is getting covered up. Can you hear the hoot owl? So, the hoot owls are hooting. They know a winter storm's coming.